Welcome to a new video. Today I am showing you a real estate landing page design at MK Nexus. This page starts with the clean hero section, clear headline, short message and one main call to action button. Simple and focused. Next you see the property highlights, small boxes with key details so user understand the value quickly. Here are the featured property cards. Each card shows an image, price, locations and main features, fast loading and smooth hover effects. Then we have the agency section, a short introduction and trust baggage to build confidence. The contact form is simple and responsive. User can easily submit their detailed. JavaScript handles validation smoothly. You have also see a testimonials sliders, short reviews that add social proof without slowing the page. The location map section shows nearby places and helps user understand the areas. The entire page is built with clean HTML, CSS and JavaScript, fast, responsive and ready for ads and lead generation. At MK Nexus, we design modern and conversion focused landing pages for real estate and other businesses. If you want a landing page like this, feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content from MK Nexus.